Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, you will find weird facts about mosquito, why mosquito is mentioned in the Holy Quran. You will find why you are so attracted to the mosquito. So let's begin our video. First of all, I want to introduce you tiny little insect called mosquito. Mosquitoes are considered the most dangerous insects in the world. They carry a variety of nasty pathogens, but the big killer is malaria, which is transmitted only by the mosquito. Malaria alone kills 1.5 million people each year, making the mosquito the world's most dangerous and deadliest insect. Other diseases that mosquitoes can transmit are dengue, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Mosquitoes cause at least 2.7 million deaths every year, and still the numbers are increasing. There are over 3,500 species of mosquitoes worldwide. Mosquito bites are caused by female mosquitoes feeding on your blood. Female mosquitoes bite humans because our blood contains needed nutrients, like protein, that will help the production and health of their eggs. Mosquitoes have only 2 eyes, but each of them contains several lenses, which help them to detect their victims. Mosquito can flap its wings 500 times in 1 second. Mosquito eggs hatch in water and then go through several stages before becoming adults. The most interesting fact about mosquitoes is that male mosquito never bites. Generally, they do not need blood to live because they live on fruits, vegetables, leaves, and other things. The mosquito that causes dengue is called Aedes, a black mosquito with white dots visible on his body. It can hatch eggs on both water, clean and dirty. Mosquitoes do not have teeth to bite or feed with. However, they have exactly 47 sharp edges resembling a tooth shape. These teeth are actually biting hooks for gathering blood. Only female mosquito needs blood to lay eggs. The ideal place for mosquitoes to lay their eggs is on stagnant water. Eggs can last for a year before hatching until they remain undisturbed. A female mosquito can lay 1,000 eggs in her lifespan. Here is an interesting thing about female mosquitoes, that they live longer than male mosquitoes. Male mosquitoes' average life is 1 to 2 weeks, while female mosquitoes can live up to 1 to 3 months. Female mosquito can lay 100 eggs each time. If we lay eggs in cold weather or cold environment, the eggs can remain dormant for 10 to 15 years. In cold weather, eggs can survive for all 4 seasons and not hatch until the summer under ideal conditions. Male mosquitoes cannot fly far, while female mosquitoes can fly for miles and lay 100 eggs at a time. As a biting mosquito fills itself with blood, it injects saliva into our skin, which numbs our skin, and she can suck our blood easily. The mosquito is mentioned in the Holy Quran in 2 contexts. The verse in Surah Al-Baqarah, meaning where the mosquito is used as an example to show that Allah is not shy to give parables of anything, even something as small and insignificant as a mosquito. Another place, one is the story of Namrud, a tyrant who died because of a mosquito, according to the books of Tafsir and history. Nimrud died because of the mosquito that entered into his nostrils and reached his brain, and this caused him to start hitting his head for a long time until he died. There are several diseases caused by mosquito. Dengue is one of them, and dengue is so common in Brazil. In 2015, the virus sickened about 1.5 million people in Brazil. They took many steps to negotiate with this situation, while a British biotech company, Oxitec, that has developed genetically modified mosquitoes to control the spread of diseases such as dengue fever, Zika virus, and malaria. The company had launched its friendly technology for controlling disease-transmitting mosquitoes without pesticides directly to the Brazilian public. And they released genetically modified mosquitoes in Brazil. According to the company's website, their technology has been successful in reducing the population of disease-carrying mosquitoes by up to 90% in some areas. Mosquitoes are attracted to some people than others. And if you feel that mosquitoes are attracted to you more than others, then let's try to find an answer for you. Study found that mosquitoes were most attracted to 4 colors: red, orange, black, and cyan. The presence of these colors caused them to remain in an area longer. Another study tells us that the type A blood group is the least attractive to the mosquitoes, and type O blood will be the most attractive. Mosquitoes are really choosy. They prefer type O over type A, while type B blood group fall in the middle. There is another reason that the mosquitoes are so attracted to you. If you are an overweight individual, then you are more prone to attract mosquitoes, because overweight individuals exhale more carbon dioxide than the other person, and mosquitoes are really attracted to the carbon dioxide. Study shows us that there is no specific diet that attracts mosquitoes. However, eating sweet, salty, spicy, and potassium-rich foods is believed to attract more mosquitoes. So our diet could be a reason to attract mosquitoes towards us. There is another study. New findings have revealed that the acidic components of human sweat play a significant role in attracting mosquitoes. So if you are feeling sweaty, you need to take shower to avoid mosquitoes. I hope you like our video today. So keep on sharing and do not forget to comment. Thank you. Till the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.